Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical and basic settings. Connect a certified HDMI cable. Make sure the TV accepts 4K and the port supports HDR. On the TV, enable game mode to reduce processing delay and set HDR to auto or on so the console can negotiate. On the PS5, go to Settings, Screen and Video, then set resolution to 4K and choose the proper output format, RGB or YCBCR, according to your TV's preferred color space. Once done, continue to output testing. Now, run the built-in Ps5 HDR calibration tool and follow the on-screen luminance steps. This sets how bright the console expects highlights to be. Next, set HDMI format on both TV and PS5 to automatic or enhanced so deep color and full bandwidth are allowed. Then, open the game's HDR settings. Many titles have separate HDR trim or brightness sliders, and adjust until skin tones and bright effects look natural. Make sure contrast isn't clipping by testing bright and near black scenes. Finish by fine-tuning with real game scenes and HDR test patterns to ensure both shadow detail and specular highlights are correct. If you see washed-out colors or crushed blacks, turn HDR off and back on, reboot the PS5, and try a different HDMI port or cable. Sometimes the handshake clears. Once done, update TV firmware and, if necessary, reset PS5 video settings. If problems persist, test another HDR-capable display. That quickly isolates whether the issue is the console, cable, or TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.